But what we're going to do, we're going to have a Superior Court judge, and I'm going to do this in alphabetical order. I'm going to ask the first one to come forward, and y'all can figure that out, gentlemen. But you have 2 minutes, and you have a mic there. You can just stand up, or you can come to the lectern, whichever you prefer. Introduce yourself in 2 minutes, and he's going to give you 15 seconds to wrap it up.
Good evening. I'm Franklin Rozier from Blackshear, Georgia. I'm a candidate for the Superior Court judge and for the Waycross Circuit. I will thank the Chamber and the Farm Bureau for sponsoring the event. I, too, am a Chamber member and a former member of the Pierce County Farm Bureau. I am seeking the position that is held by the Judge Michael Devane, who is elected not to run for office again. I have been an attorney in this circuit since 1977, and have, as an attorney, handled hundreds of cases of all types of cases. And about 17 years ago, I ran for state court judge and sort of slowed down on my Superior Court practice because I wanted to devote my time primarily to the court. As a judge, I tried to create an atmosphere where the people felt that I was maintaining the integrity of the court. That is to say that the people that came into the court would feel like they received a fair hearing and that they were treated equally. Now, of course, you don't always get the decision you want, but at least I find that people at least expect that much, and that's what I tried to do and what I will do as the judge. While I was judge, I was allowed to serve as what's called a judge pro hac vice, which basically is a substitute judge in the Superior Court, the Juvenile Court, the Probate Court, and the Magistrate Court. So I've served at all levels of the court and have experience doing so. I see the man's raised his sign, so I just want to thank you for allowing me to speak tonight and tell you that I would appreciate your vote on May 24th. Thank you.
I would ask the two candidates also to make your way up to the stage, state court judge, too, so we can keep the program running.
Yes, sir. Good evening. My name is Andy Spivey. Live in Pierce County now. I was raised in Waycross. My parents are both Coffee County natives, having been born and raised here. My dad's John Spivey. My mom is Elaine Spivey, formerly Elaine Brown. My grandparents are Hazel Spivey and the late Lindsay Spivey and the late Lester Brown and the late Lewell Brown. My grandfather was Lester Brown, had the barber shop on Main Street here, and it's warmed my heart tonight to so many people come up to me and remembered my grandfather Brown. It really makes me feel good to reminisce about that and people remember him. I'm asking for your vote and your support. As your Superior Court judge, I have been a trial lawyer for 27 years. I have tried literally hundreds of cases throughout the state of Georgia, from Folkestone to Atlanta, Columbus to Savannah. You name it, I've been there. This is what I do. I have tried these cases, and I have experience in the Superior Courts. I understand how the court works, the law that applies to the court, but more importantly, I think I understand what the litigants go through in the Superior Court because I hold their hands on a daily basis trying these cases. My wife, Kim, is here tonight, and I'd like to thank her. This has been a grueling campaign process. This is a 6-county area. It's Ware, Brantley, Bacon, Pierce, Charlton, and Coffee counties. So it's from St. George to Ambrose. It covers a lot of ground. And it's maintaining an active law practice and trying to get throughout this circuit to see as many people as possible is very difficult. But I thank the Chamber and Georgia Farm Bureau for allowing this to take place. Great building. I've told 2 or 3 people, the last memory I had of this, my grandmother had me in here buying some shoes for school, and when it was Belk's, and I know a lot of people here probably don't remember that. There are some youngsters in the room, but I think a lot of people are nodding their head and they remember that. But I appreciate everybody's support and look forward to wrapping up this campaign process. This is quite a task to undertake, but I would appreciate your support to be your Superior Court judge. Thank you.